Hi, gentle people. I've lost some of the footage for this video and a few others that I've posted, but God is a restorer. So I found them and I decided to upload them so that you guys will have more information, more details to make your finished product look and taste great. The ingredients will be in the description below. I'm gonna show you how I make my Jamaican black cake, Christmas cake. 1.5 cup of my I'm sorry people. My daughter is distracting me. I'm sorry people. I'm sorry. Ah! Okay. All right. So well, I'm gonna blend up the fruits now. So I mix up the fruits already inside here. There we go. See how beautiful it looks. So inside here we have 1 pound raisin. That's 16-ounce raisin. 6-ounce cherry, 6-ounce mixed peel, and 6-ounce currant. Yeah, we're aiming for 2 pounds mixed fruits. So we're gonna blend our fruits now. Alright, so we're gonna use 2 cups wine and about 4 tablespoons white rum. So we'll put half the ingredients in here first. Okay, that's half. We had the rum and wine mixture. Then we blend. Put in the other half now. And we blend this. Okay. We don't want our fruits to be, we don't want it to blend out too much. We still want, it have a nice texture to it. Right? Yeah, let's see. Let me look at this now. Alright, blend this out a little bit more. Good to go. Pour it inside here. So we'll set this aside and we'll prepare our cream, sugar, and butter now. This is our sugar and butter. We have inside here 16-ounce butter and 12-ounce sugar. I started creaming the butter and the sugar at a time. Our cream, sugar, and butter is ready. So now we're gonna add our eggs. We add 2 each time, 2 at a time. Now I'm gonna use my whisk to whisk this, combine this thing. Coming together nicely. Alright, so we have 2 more eggs. We're using 6 eggs. Alright, and the final 2. Alright, lovely, lovely, lovely. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla. 1, 2 tablespoons vanilla. And we mix that in. This is wet ingredients. We add the blended fruits, mixed fruits. Add a half. And we mix that in. This smells good. Smell of that rum and wine. Starts to smell like Christmas. Add the other half. And we mix that in. There we go. Look at that. So we set our lovely wet ingredients aside and focus on our dry ingredients now. For the dry ingredients, we have 12-ounce flour and 2 teaspoon mixed spice, 2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Go easy on the salt. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 nutmeg grated, and I've already mixed everything into the flour along with 2 teaspoon baking powder. So we sift the dry ingredients. There we go. See these little lumps, these little lump things, we don't want to get them in the cake. I don't know if you can see them. We don't want those in the, we don't want those in the cake. No lumps. Alright. We had half of this dry ingredients. We had half of it to this, to the wet ingredient. And we fold it in. Time and patience. Yeah. You know, we Jamaicans, we love our Christmas cake. Yes. Gotta have our Christmas cake along with our sorrel. And all those other good Christmas food like our curry goat, oxtail, rice and peas. Yeah, Christmas is a big thing here in Jamaica. Yes, it is. We go all out. Alright, have a lovely feast for friends and family. We have the other half of our dry ingredient. And we just continue to fold it in, folding this off now. Yeah. And we also, as Jamaican, we love to share, especially at Christmas time. We love to share. Yes, we do. So when we're baking or cooking, we always do extras. For friends, family, and any unexpected visitors. Right, so there we go. Combine all our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. So now we need to add our browning to give it that nice dark color, that nice dark Christmas cake color. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. See? Looks good. And it smells good. Add a little bit more browning. I don't want it too dark, you know. So I use roughly half bottle of this browning in this mixture. So it's nice and dark now. Wow. So I've already greased and lined the tin. These baking containers, and them with grease paper. Now we're ready to pour in our mixture, and I've preheated the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The oven has been preheated 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So now alright, that's good. I'm gonna fold them up too much. So we get 3 cakes from this mixture. 3 8-inch cake from this mixture. Now we put them into the oven. All three is in now. Alright. Alright, so I'll check it after 90 minutes. And if it's not done, give it a couple more minutes. The cake is done. It's baked. See, the knife comes out clean, so it's fully baked. And now I'm gonna pour some rum and wine mixture on it. So this will add some extra moisture to it, and also it helps to preserve the cake. So we can do this like you can pour some more on it like another 2 days. Like every 2 days you can pour some on it to keep your cake nice and fresh. And so I've showed you how I made my black cake. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.